Today we are here in Cordata, here with my friend Elizabeth Wolf, the listing agent, here at this 54-unit townhome complex. Elizabeth, say hey.
Hi, everybody.
Thank you for letting us tour today. And it's a Janicki development. I've kind of been familiar with the surrounding development, but this section, this plat, or this development division is 54 townhomes. Can you give, like, if a prospective buyer is interested over here in North Bellingham and these cool amenities, what's important to know?
So these are the Trailside Townhomes, and they're very thoughtfully designed to appeal to a lot of different buyers. There's no 3-story units. They're all 2-story.
Awesome.
Most of them have the primary bedroom on the main floor, 2-car garages, courtyard, really great storage in all floor plans, and a really good price point variation. They start at $540,000 and they go up to $659,000. The other great thing is we have a pond along the, what would that be, east side of the development that really, there's trails all throughout. It's just a great feeling out here for sure.
That's awesome. And now if buyers are coming in, can they what levels of customization can they do? Can they pick colors? Can they change materials?
Yeah, they can't. So for the units that aren't built yet, we can adjust we have 2 floor options and 2 cabinetry options.
Cool.
And then the other cool thing is there's wallpaper in the guest bath. So fun and artsy.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Awesome.
And that's about it as far as customizations go.
Cool. Well, Elizabeth, thank you for letting us take a tour today. We're going to take a quick spin in a few of the different floor plans, take a look from above. And if you have any questions, reach out. Love to answer and help out with your real estate related plans. Taking a look at these homes here in the Talus neighborhood here in Cordata, the interior has quartz countertops, sleek and modern finishes, Whirlpool stainless steel appliances, integrated microwave hood, plus there's garbage disposal, designer slab style kitchen cabinets, thermally fused wood grain finish. Basically, the kitchens are really nice in here. There's quartz vanities on all of the bathrooms, waterproof laminate plank flooring all throughout. Now, here's a really cool thing. The outside, all like the landscaping and everything, is taken care of by the HOA, and there won't be any HOA dues until 2027. One other cool thing, if you are thinking about buying a home here in North Bellingham, Cordata, great entry-level price points, and rentals are allowed. No short-term rentals, but if you're thinking about something that, hey, if I buy today, what might my options be in the future? You can definitely rent these things out. If you are an investor looking, if you want something that new, much more turnkey, and have kind of some built-in maintenance stuff, these are kind of cool because they're brand new. Let's go take a look at some of these other floor plans. One of the interesting things here, with it being part of an HOA, now read all of the terms so you make sure you understand this. And taking a look out here, these are really cool covered front porches. You can take a look at the beautiful landscaping out here. And there's going to be a cool trail walk right over here. I will give you guys a first peek at as well. A few cool things that I just wanted to note: the outside fully landscaped grounds, lawns, native plants, and shrubs, all maintained by the HOA. I was also just told the HOA will not have any dues until about 2027, once the builder gets through of the 54 townhome development. 95% ductless mini split heating, so you have heat on those cold days, you have air conditioning on those warm days. Programmable thermostats, 50-gallon energy efficient electric water heaters. You have Cat 5 cabling for advanced network connectivity, and pre-wired flat screen TV locations. Kind of varies by unit, but some cool upgrades here in North Bellingham. So it is interesting. So with the primary on the main floor in these, the washer and dryer are upstairs. Something you can get over because you do have 2 more bedrooms plus offices. The floor plans are versatile. Now we're over here in Cordata. So in Bellingham, this is on the north side of town. We got Costco literally right next to us. I-5 is a stone's throw away, so really easy on and off. You got Fred Meyer, we're close to major medical, major shopping, anything you need in North Bellingham, we're right here. So let's take a look at some of this new construction at Talus. Another interesting thing here at development here in North Bellingham are the builder and preferred lender incentives. So when you're looking here, they actually have some credits that will get you down to a 5.5% interest rate. Reach out for more information and keep taking a look. So if you have questions, reach out. Love to talk with you about your real estate related plans, and hope you're enjoying the tour.